Hello! Today we invite you to the Hilton Hotel in the center of Warsaw. We came here because we were curious about the Hilton brand. There is no place to stop right in front of the hotel to unpack your luggage. However, there are places for taxis. Probably because we were told during the booking process that 70% of travelers ordered the shuttle from the airport to the hotel at the time of booking. The hotel staff allows you to park for a while in front of the entrance under the sign that tells you to turn right. There are plenty of public spaces in the area where you can pay at the parking meter. At the hotel reception desk, as well as at the spa reception, you will meet staff who speak English very well. On the ground floor of the hotel is Mazovia Confectionery, where you can have a coffee and enjoy delicious and beautiful cakes, cookies and money portions. There is also a restaurant bar, Pistachio, where you can arrange a business meeting. Directly from the lobby, you can enter the outdoor Warsaw casino. Note the beautiful chandeliers over the restaurant area. Also on the ground floor is the office of the Supercar Club Poland, club for lovers of fast and luxury cars. The club was founded by Krzysztof Hołowczyk with the aim of sharing exceptional cars. The hotel's lifts are particularly noteworthy. They are lined with exclusive wood, are taller than average, and have a characteristic smell, similar to that of the 5-star Al Raha Hotel in Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates, which gives the impression of extreme luxury. The top 26th floor is available to all hotel guests, with large windows in the corridors overlooking the four sides of the world and indeed Warsaw. It is quite a view from this height. Interestingly, UEFA referees stayed in this hotel during Euro 2012. We chose a deluxe room with a view of the city, located on the 25th floor or penultimate floor of the hotel. The floor of the room was fully carpeted, which gave it a cozy feel. The bed was large and comfortable, as were the pillows. There were no free sockets by the bed. We had to unplug the lamp to charge the phone. We had an extra bed instead of the usual sofa bed, which was also quite comfortable. However, the presence of the extra bed did affect the ergonomics of the room. The small sofa was moved next to the desk, blocking the extension and use of the chair. We're trying to rearrange the furniture to give us maximum comfort. The desk is very practical, with a cool storage area with multiple sockets and space for a charger. Minibar empty with QR code to scan. Hotel guide available on the television. Picture not very clear and characters too small. Information on checkout time out of date, while breakfast time information is lacking. A full range of TV channels in a variety of languages, coffee set optimal, good quality products. An unusual item was the ice bucket. There is an ice cube maker in the hallway, but it didn't work. Maybe it happened during our stay. And then there's the most important thing about the room, the phenomenal view from the large window. The window takes up the entire width of the wall. The bathroom is the weakest point. You can see the wear and tear of time. There is not much space in the shower. A cross between a hand shower and a rain shower. The height cannot be adjusted and the water splashed around as if there were some obstruction. The distance between the soap and the wash basin was definitely too large. When reaching for the soap, the water splashed onto a rather large free area of the worktop, which lost its usefulness. There was also a line above the bath to hang up wet clothes. There are plenty of activities available at the hotel: swimming pool, sauna, gym, and Stellar Premium Fitness Club. It is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. and access is unlimited. The area of the club is huge. The gym is so large that if you look from one end, you cannot see the other. In the swimming pool, the steps are lined with plastic planks. This reduces the risk of slipping and is simply warmer than tiles. The sauna is 85 degrees, which is the optimum temperature, while there are no hooks in the shower and by the cold water bucket. There is no place to change freely from swimsuit to a towel. The pool is for adults only. There is a water cooler at your disposal. There was a sign next to it that you cannot drink directly, but there weren't any cups. On entering the restaurant, we were greeted by a member of staff who helped us choose a table and offered us coffee, tea, and juice. When we returned with our breakfast, the drinks we had ordered were waiting for us. A very wide choice of food. In addition to the prepared hot dishes, chef makes whatever we want. The croissants with marmalade and cheese served hot was excellent. All really tasty. What's special about this restaurant is that you can make your own freshly squeezed juice. Cakes and sweets, sensational. Coffee machine is standard, but you can take coffee to go in a mug with the Hilton logo. We booked online, tried to call, but no one answered or called back. We were at the hotel in the first half of January 2024. The base rate for a room with breakfast was 608 zloty for one night. We paid 73 zloty extra for a room on one of the top 3 floors. As you can see from the photos of the hotel in the evening, it was mainly the top floors that were occupied. The hotel will meet the needs of business and active travelers who will be fascinated by the view of the window.